Architecture is a civilization's way of giving form to itself. It is not only expressive of culture but actively participates in shaping it. It is the art and science of creating spaces and structures. Architecture is both the process and the product of planning, designing, and constructing buildings and other physical structures. Architectural works in the material form of buildings are often perceived as cultural symbols and as works of art. Historical civilizations are often identified with their surviving architectural achievements. Architects are those who are excited about exploring their creative side. They take in the beauty of the world around and allow it to take form in the designing and constructing of living spaces, monuments, skyscrapers, parks, towns, cities, or landscapes. From before the time of the first pyramids and pagodas, architecture has played an integral part in the minds, spirits, and lives of human civilization. In Egyptian architecture, to which belong some of the earliest extant structures to be called architecture, erected by the Egyptians before 3000 BC, the post and lintel system was employed exclusively and produced the earliest stone columnar buildings in history.
Arkitek sebagai profesional arkitek, dia menggabungkan praktis yang melibatkan orang awam. Dalam bisnes kita ada pelanggan, iaitu our client lah. Klien, kita dapat projek dan dari situ kita menjadi client representative. So kita implement projek untuk klien daripada mula, daripada konsep, dan we manage all the consultant because we are the leader.
Documentation produced by architects, typically drawings, plans and technical specifications, defines the structure and/or behavior of a building or other kind of system that is to be or has been constructed.
Jadi kita menyediakan lukisan untuk ditender, for tender and also for implementation. Dan sehinggalah bangunan siap dan arkitek certify the building, jadi public boleh pakai.
Architecture is a team-working process. The relationship between client and architect is fundamental, and the establishment of a professional and trusting relationship between the two is the bedrock of every successful project.
Sebagai technical assistant, tugas biasanya dibahagikan kepada beberapa kategori. Contohnya seperti sekiranya saya dapat sketches daripada arkitek, so saya akan develop drawing itu menjadi kepada standard sama ada DO submission ataupun pergi kepada tender drawing kedua, dan ketiga sama ada kepada presentation drawing. Bagi saya technical assistant, saya lebih kepada CAD ataupun Revit ataupun SketchUp.
The economic growth of Malaysia is reflected in the building of infrastructure, both commercial and residential. Therefore, the services of architectural graduates are greatly in demand.
Selepas daripada tamat pengajian, actually opportunities for job career is tremendous dengan architecture. Architecture bagi saya lah is one of the most exciting, if not the most exciting profession in the industry.
Good architects are deeply concerned about society and culture. They are critical thinkers with a reflective sense of history and visionary, though grounded, attitude toward the future. They not only mirror the attitudes of society, but contribute to its direction.